In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make columns in Google Docs. If you've ever wanted to add a professional touch to your documents or simply organize information in a more readable layout, columns are a great way to do that. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Docs. You can do this by typing Google Docs into your search engine or navigating directly to docsgoogle.com. Once there, you'll see a variety of options if you're logged in, or you'll need to log into your Google account. Simply enter your credentials and you're good to go. Next, you'll need to open the document you wish to modify. If you don't have one ready, you can easily create a new document by selecting the blank option. Now, if you want to apply column formatting to specific parts of your text, highlight the desired section. However, if your intention is to format the entire document into columns, feel free to skip this highlighting step. With your text highlighted or your document open for general formatting, locate the Format menu in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Hover over Columns, and you'll see some preset options available. Now, you can easily select either the 2 or 3 column layout to apply directly. But if you want more customization, choose More Options. Clicking this will open a new menu where you have the flexibility to further tailor the column formatting to your needs. Here, you'll find the option to adjust the number of columns according to your preference. Maybe 2 or 3 columns suffice, or perhaps you need more. It's all possible. Additionally, you can modify the space between columns to ensure your text is well aligned and visually pleasing. If you wish to add a bit more definition to your layout, you also have the option to insert a line between the columns by simply checking the Line Between Columns box. Once you're satisfied with your choices, click Apply to implement the changes. You'll see that the document updates immediately to reflect the column layout you've just configured. And there you have it. Beautifully formatted text in columns. If, at any point, you decide to revert back to a single column layout, just select the text that's currently formatted into columns, navigate back to the Format menu, choose Columns, and then select the One Column option. This will return your document back to its original format. I hope you found this guide on creating columns in Google Docs helpful. It's an easy but powerful tool to enhance your document's design. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.